Good morning, y'all. I got started late because my neighbor called. I had to go help her. She'd cut the end of her finger off. Yeah, just that little part right there. Right there. She cut it plumb off. Yes. So I never got to stop bleeding. Of course, she is trying to go into a panic attack, and I could understand why. So I was having to keep her calm. So, but you always have to go help someone who's in need. So, that's my morning. Let me get me a drink. Went down the wrong way. Yeah, Bella, I'm having problems this morning. Well, that went down wrong. Yeah. So, I hope you've had a better morning. I hope you're all fine. uh, yeah. Yeah, it was a little bit exciting, but you try to stay calm, because you see, she was about to go into a panic attack, so I was trying to stay calm, but it wouldn't stop bleeding, and I thought, okay, if this don't stop bleeding pretty soon, this is not going to be good. But I was trying to stay calm so she wouldn't go into a panic attack. But in my mind, I kept thinking, now, if this don't quit bleeding, but it did. I wrapped it all up for her, so she's good to go. I stayed with her, and to make sure, because you never know. I know I bleed a lot. Of course, I take blood thinner. So have you had excitement this morning already? Oh, I got a praise report. I don't know if I told you yesterday or not, but it's worth repeating. I got the tires off. Oh. Tim, the neighbor that was trying to get them off, he was trying something else, and little boy that works at maintenance come over. He asked him what he was doing. He said, I'm trying to get these tires off. He said, my mama, she had a flat tire, and I couldn't get them off, and I just hauled off and kicked it. So Tim sat down, took his feet and kicked. They popped right. It was like, yes. Thank you, Jesus. Whoops. Get that back out here. I see. One I missed. So I was thankful to finally get that tire off. Well, 2 tires. So, I'm thankful that I get that taken care of. I'm counting the days down, guys, when I'll get to order the parts. So, and I know people says, Linda, if you need to go, we don't care to help you. And I understand that. But if you haven't had your car in a while, you know it's different. When you got your own car. So, what's your plans for today? As I always told you, I don't make plans because there's always something coming up. One lady at church one time said, oh, I gotta have plans. I can't just go. I said, well, I go as it comes up. Because, you know, okay, like this morning, I wasn't planning on going over her cutting her finger. And if you have to stick by plans and the unexpected throws you off, then that would have thrown me totally off. Well, no, I'm one of those people that just, oh, yeah, like that right there. Rose with it. So, are you a person that rose with it, or do you have to have everything planned out? The only thing I have planned is church. Now, church, I plan at And I'm the type of person, if it's Sunday and it's church time and somebody comes, which I never have company, but if somebody was to come, I look at them and say, it's time to go to church. And they say, well, I don't want to go. I go, well, I'm leaving. And because church is very important to me. And most people knows it's really important to me. So, yeah, I don't know how I got off on church, but you know how my mind works. It goes from one thing to the next. I am going to say one thing. Elections coming up. It's a privilege to vote. Please take part in it. And that's all I'm going to say about that. Because who you vote for, that's your business. But please vote. Please pray about it. And please vote conscience, vote morals, and not parties. Now that's all I'm going to say on that matter. So it's out there. And who I vote for and who you vote for, that's your business. Nothing to do with me. Okay, back to this. Oh, I see there's more 20s. I was just going to put one. Then I looked and there's a big bunch. And it's like, I'm going to need more than that. Well, I'm going to work on this today. And then I'm going to sew. Before I get off here, I'll show you how far I've gotten. It's come along really good. This is the prettiest orange. These two canvases that I'm working on right now has the prettiest colors. These, yeah. And you know how I like colors. The brighter the colors, the better I like it. I wish I can wish. I remember when I was a kid and I'd say, I wish, and my mom would say, wish in one hand and poop in the other hand. I should say that. And see which one gets filled quickest. So I didn't say I wished it for my mom, because I knew that's what she'd tell me every time. Let's do. These are not in any kind of order. The letters is all over the place. Numbers are all over the place. The number 6 is down here at 30. The only one that's in order is 5 is 5. Okay. So beautiful pinks. This one and the one Star gave me. Just gorgeous pinks. See, like 7 is 11. Yeah. I just need one. Come on. It's like I just need one. I missed it. Yeah, before we get off here, I'll show you how much I've got done on my. There's an elf. Oh. I didn't have to go back and redo where I missed. I'd get done quicker. 16. Bright colors. Okay. Oh. Let me see. Z. Oh, right there in front of me. So it'd say, if it was a snake, it would have bit me. Right there. I want to get all these out before we get that big bunch. Okay. Ew. I don't need many of them. Okay, and one more, then we can start on a big patch. It's 22. Just need one. 5 come out. Now, 9. Ooh, it's this pretty color. Look at that. Pretty, pretty. I don't know what I want to fix for lunch. I might fix some salmon patties. Yeah, I might fix some salmon patties. I haven't had those in a long time. With some mac and cheese. Now, I'm not a big macaroni and cheese person. Yeah. I take it by spells. And I don't like the powdered cheese. I like the one that comes with the Velveeta cheese. Now, a lot of people make homemade macaroni and cheese, which is easy. You just noodle some, melt some cheese, and that might be the best way to go, because then you can make sure you put the kind of cheese you want on it. So, now whether I'll cook that, I'm not sure. When I might just have bologna sandwich. And call it that. Whoops. Okay. Okay. We're getting it done. Beautiful color. Okay. Ta-da! Look how pretty. Oh, hold on. Yeah. That was my finger popping. Not the thing. Okay. Okay. Now, I want to show you this. I'm working on here, but look here. I got this one. And what I'll do is now go back in and color it all in with 3. Hold on. And then I got this one. This little one. And this little one. So, now I'll come back and do this one. I don't think you can see it, but there's that one. And I'm working on this one. But yeah, it's getting big to work on. Yeah, that's my breakfast fork. I was eating breakfast when she hollered at me, so I just laid it there. So, thank you for spending morning with me. Hope your morning was uneventful, because mine was a little bit, out there. But like I said, she's okay now. You want to give him some sugars? Say, see my hair ribbon. You want to give him some sugars? There, give him some sugars. Yes, you love them. Yes, you love them. Yes, they love you too. So, God bless you. You hang in there, and I'll see you later, unless something else comes up. But I will see you later. You guys, thank you for spending some time with me, and I really enjoy our talks. So, God bless you. Bye.